The Indian economy has been varied throughout history. The year was 2019. India's GDP ranked 5th globally with a value of nearly 2.9 trillion US dollars. India was said to be one of the major players in global economic growth. But a year later, the Indian economy is said to enter what can only be defined as a depression. Hello everyone, I am Anirban Sarkar and we are talking about how the Indian economy would collapse in the next 5 years. The ongoing pandemic has taken its toll on global markets. IMF has recorded a 4.4% contraction in the global GDP during the lockdown. Hence, decreases in India's GDP were expected. But a 23.9% slump the last quarter raises major questions. Are we actually moving towards a complete economic collapse? The answer is very complex, more than the act of God statement made by the government. As common sense dictates, it is true that the industry reboot after the pandemic would be essential to get the economy back to speed. However, the pandemic only surfaced the issues which were pre-existing, leading to the crisis at hand. Indian economic growth has seen a severe slowdown in the last 8 fiscal quarters. According to the Ministry of Finance, the GDP markers would show growth in the future, saying that the fundamentals of Indian economy are at play. While the former chief statistician of India, Mr. Pranab Sen, begs to differ. He says that the government interventions are very supply driven, leaving out the complete demand perspective of the economy. While the consumer spending shows a relative 27% drop, investments have decreased by nearly 47%. The path taken by the government only increases government fundings, which in turn is majorly unsustainable. India's economy is still reeling from the setbacks of demonetization, and the introduction of GST has also shown less than expected revenue. The foundations of the economy are wobbling. It is getting weaker by the day. Only time will tell if India will nosedive into a complete economic meltdown. But keeping our hopes up, let's hope that it does not happen. That's all. Signing off. Thank you.